Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix ADP Mobile Solutions app not working. Now if you are facing the problem of ADP Mobile Solutions app not working, then there may be various reasons behind it. The first reason may be if you have not updated the app up to date, then it may be the reason. Or if your app is facing any kind of error, or if your mobile is facing any kind of error, then the app may not be able to work on a device. Now to fix it, simply open ADP Mobile Solutions by going on App Store, and if you see the option of any update which will be highlighted in blue, then click on the option of update to update it on a device. So by updating, you will be able to get the latest version of the app and your app may start working again. So if it's not working, then check if you are connected to Wi-Fi or not. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi on your device. So after doing that, if your app is still not working, then go to settings on a device and click on the option of general, and under general you'll see the option of iPhone storage. So click on the option of iPhone storage, and under iPhone storage you need to find ADP Mobile Solutions. So after finding ADP Mobile Solutions, you need to click on it. Now you'll see the option of ADP Mobile on iPhone storage, so click on it. Now you'll see the option of offload app, so click on the option of offload app to free up some storage and also fix the errors which is occurring on your device, or fix the error which is occurring on your app. Now if you have completed the offload, click on the option of reinstall app to reinstall it again on your device, and after doing this, your app will start to run again on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.